Hi, I am Mariah. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, 26th of August 2020. Now headlines. Christchurch hearing begins to determine sentence for accused of attacking mosques. Boris Johnson to resign in 6 months, says British chief advisor. The United States and China agree to make progress on the economic agreement despite tensions. Coronavirus, overseas students fear losing their university seats. Calvin Conway, President Trump's advisor, has resigned. California, lightning strikes further fires, destroys 1,200 homes, kills 7. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Christchurch hearing begins to determine sentence for accused of attacking mosques. The trial of Brent and Trent, accused of attacking 2 mosques last year in Christchurch, New Zealand, has begun. Survivors of the attack and the families of the victims attended the first day of the 4-day hearing on Monday. Tan was also presented in the courtroom on the occasion. During a high-security hearing, prosecutor Bernie Haas told the court that Trent wanted to kill more people than he had killed. Prosecutors kept the court informed of what happened that day. On this occasion, the accused Tan, who was present in the courtroom, stood silently and kept looking around. The prosecutor said the suspect was heading to the 3rd mosque after attacking 2 mosques, but had been arrested earlier. Trent killed 51 people in an attack on 2 Christchurch mosques in March last year, and the accused faces a terrorism charge, including attempting to kill 40 people. The prosecutor further told the court that Trent saw a 3-year-old boy wrapped around his father's legs and shot him twice. According to the prosecutor, the accused also had loaded guns and a stockpile of petrol for setting fire, with the help of which he also intended to set fire to mosques. Legal experts are predicting that Trent, 29, will be the first person in New Zealand history to be sentenced to life in prison. According to the AFP news agency, Judge Cameron Manda has banned coverage of the hearing so that the courtroom does not allow the spread of terrorist ideas. Trent is expected to be sentenced by Judge Cameron Manda on Thursday. Boris Johnson to resign in 6 months, says British chief advisor. Boris Johnson's top advisor has claimed that the British Prime Minister will resign in 6 months. Johnson is expected to resign in 6 months. The United States and China agree to make progress on the economic agreement despite tensions. The United States and China have agreed to move forward with the implementation of the bilateral economic and trade agreement reached in January this year, despite ongoing tensions in many areas. Top officials of the 2 countries spoke on the phone on Tuesday about advancing the first phase of the trade agreement. Under the agreement, China will buy $200 billion worth of goods from the United States over 2 years, including cars, machinery, oil and agricultural products. But the coronavirus crisis has reduced demand for U.S. goods in China, which has hampered the implementation of the agreement. Separate statements from the 2 countries confirm Tuesday's talks. Coronavirus, overseas students fear losing their university seats. Students who enrolled in courses at the University of Hertfordshire last September may face suspension for non-payment of their dues by Monday. An email sent to students last week, which was also seen by the BBC, set a deadline of August 24 for 100% payments. The university says it has already extended the deadline. Has done. Hundreds of overseas students from several universities are relying on food banks after part-time work and reduced family funding during the lockdown. Calvin Conway, President Trump's advisor, has resigned. Calvin Conway, a longtime advisor to U.S. President Donald Trump and the manager of the 2016 presidential campaign, has announced that he will step down at the end of this month. Calvin said in a statement Sunday that he would leave the White House by the end of this month. Calvin was also one of Donald Trump's key advisors during the 2016 presidential election campaign, but Conway's husband and lawyer, George Conway, is one of President Trump's biggest critics. Calvin is one of President Trump's closest advisors and has been defending the president's policies on talk shows for the past 4 years. She knows she and her husband disagree on some issues, but we've both agreed to make important decisions for the children, she said in a statement. California, lightning strikes further fires, destroys 1,200 homes, kills 7. More than 600 lightning strikes have erupted in California following a series of lightning strikes, which have spread to 1.2 million acres and destroyed 1,200 homes so far, leaving 7 dead. Forest fires in the northern and central parts of the southwestern U.S. state of California have burned to ashes 3 times the size of Los Angeles. The drop in temperature is helping firefighters try to contain the blaze, but more lightning strikes have sparked new fires. Electricity restoration work is also underway in the affected areas. So far, 240,000 people have been evacuated from the affected areas. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.